Hey, this is Cooking with Miss G and shrimp bowls on the menu. This is what you'll need to make shrimp bowl. You'll need about a pound of shrimp per person, lemons, onions, garlic, red potatoes, and corn on the cob, and also some type of crab bowl or shrimp bowl. I had a packet of Zatarans, and I also have this big bucket of loose seasoning, so that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to be cooking my shrimp bowl outside today. Now, I know it looks like I'm cooking in a garbage can, but the garbage can is not what I'm cooking in. I actually have a turkey fryer, a big pot that you fry turkeys in, but that's not what I bought it for. I bought it to do shrimp bowl. I already have my water in, and I have already lit the burner. Now, the reason this is in a big garbage can is because one day we were cooking and it was really cool and it was breezy, and we were having trouble not only keeping our fire lit but getting our pot hot enough. So Rick came up with this solution. He had a clean garbage can and he cut a hole in it to put the gas line through, and it also gives air for combustion and it holds the heat inside. My turkey fryer came with this strainer, so what I do is I start with my lemons, and I roll my lemons first to get the juice in them kind of flowing. And I'll be putting this in the pot in just a little while. I just cut my lemons in half and drop them in. Also go ahead and slice not slice, but quarter all of my onions and put them in. And I put them in skin and all. So I'm just going to cut these in quarters and drop them in. I also have this homegrown garlic that I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to put my Zatarans, crawfish, and shrimp crab bowl in a bag in. I actually got 2 of those. And then, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it in my water. Okay, since that's already in, I'm going to put a couple of scoops of my Cajun land seasoning, a third of a cup of my loose seasoning in, and then I'm just going to put a lid on it and let it boil. Water and my lemons and onions and seasoning and garlic have been boiling. The air is very fragrant, so I think my water is seasoned pretty well. So I'm going to turn my gas down a little bit so it won't be such a hard boil. And the first thing we're going to put in is potatoes. I'm putting the potatoes in first because they take the longest to cook. Okay, I'll check on these potatoes in about 15 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes. We're going to check our potatoes. My knife goes through. It's still not quite done, but I think it's done enough to put my corn in, because my corn will take the second longest to cook. So I'm going to put my corn in. Put down in, got our corn in, and it'll start cooking that corn and finish cooking those potatoes. And the last thing we're going to put in is the shrimp. The shrimp takes the least amount of time to cook. Okay, we pulled it and we checked our potatoes, and the potatoes were done, so we're putting our shrimp in. We'll cook the shrimp for about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll just keep a check on it, because as soon as it's pink, it's done.
You walk around with it and find water?
Okay, our shrimp has got nice and pink, so it's done. So we're just going to drain the water and pour it in a pan, and we'll get back to you. This is our finished product, and shrimp boil is what's for supper.